How to change language on Spotify. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change language on your Spotify application. So once you install your Spotify application, make sure you are logged into account. Now simply select your profile icon at the top left corner just like this, and simply head over to settings and privacy, and under this content and display option you should see app language. So just select it and you can see app language right at the bottom. So now to continue, you just have to simply click on this app language and just click on continue to choose your language, specific language which you want on this application. So let's say currently I'm using system default, which is English, and if I were to use the Spanish, you can simply tap on that and just come back, and just like that you should be successfully changed your language to Spanish. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.